We're gonna get into this breathing. This is our 3-4-5-1 breathing, our box breathing. Everybody say breathe. Now, some of y'all didn't even notice you were breathing all day long. You just wake up and start breathing. Does anybody have a breathing practice or routine that they have on a regular basis? Okay, nice. You got the phone. Everybody has a phone. Everybody has YouTube and all that kind of things. They have so many tools. But today we're going to just use this natural tool that we have today. Now, when we breathe, we're going to use the whole body. I want everybody to sit up nice and tall. Sit up, sit up, sit up. I want y'all to sit up like you in the first row of church. All right? I want you to sit up like the police is right there next to you. Sit up nice and proper. I want you to relax the shoulders. You didn't even know they were up there. Your feet, let them be flat on the ground. If you're short, they can swing. That's all right. Relax your hands. And we're going to breathe using this whole breathing apparatus. I have my lungs, I have my diaphragm, I have my belly. And what we're going to do is I'm going to count from 3 to 1, and then 4 to 1, and then 5, then 1. So we're going to inhale for 3, hold it, retain our breath for 4, a long exhale for 5, and we're going to hold it once again for 1 and start over. We're going to do this cycle 3 times. Inhale for 3, hold it for 4, exhale for 5, hold it again for 1. Now, we're going to breathe in through our nose and then out of our nose. We're going to breathe in and out of our nose because some of y'all got those chips back there and I don't want that breath all over the place. No, I'm just joking. We're going to breathe in and out of our nose to help our mind calm down and relax. When we breathe in and out of our nose, it helps our mind to get the signal to relax. If you want to breathe out of the mouth, that's fine too. I just want you to be conscious of your breath. We're going to go through 3 cycles of these. Are y'all ready? Y'all ready? Yeah. All right, let's do it. On the count of 3, we start with a deep inhale. 1, 2, 3. Let's inhale for 3, 2, 1. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Big inhale all the way to the belly. 3, 2, 1. Hold it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Ooh. Keep breathing out. Last one. Hold it here. Big inhale. 3, 2, 1. Hold it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. And relax and breathe. Good. And just noticing what's going on in your body. Noticing what's going on in your room. Ooh, I've seen some people even close their eyes. I work with kids a lot. When I see the kids close their eyes, that let me know that they feel safe. A lot of times we don't even feel safe within our own space. So many things going on. We gotta look out for this, look out for clients, look out for everybody else. When we allow ourselves to close our eyes, it just gives us that signal. I'm safe in this body, I'm safe in that mind. Everybody say safe. Good. Let's go Dodgers. Take another breath here. Everybody breathe in. And exhale, relax. Good. Quick energizing breath. What we're going to do is we're going to inhale twice. It's going to sound like this. And then exhale once through the mouth. 3 of those. We're going to inhale twice through the nose. And then exhale once. 2 more times. Inhale. And exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Rushing the oxygen straight up to our brain. Ooh, getting a little head change there, right there. Like I said, I talk to kids all the time. And we do that and like, how do you feel? Of course, it's going to be one of the kids. I feel a little high. Like, all right, you got a head change. You got a head change without the external things. Sometimes all we need to do is just get out of that story in our head. Sometimes all we need to do is just wake our body up and take a break from whatever we keep going over and over and over. Just take a break. All right? How y'all feel? Good. Okay, relaxed. All right. Nice.